Hey everyone, Geoffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Huawei's latest smartwatch, the Huawei Watch D2. If you're looking for the device that does more than just tell time, this watch promises a comprehensive health experience with new insights right on your wrist. So let's see what makes it stand out. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Huawei Watch D2 sports a rectangular display with an updated, sleek design that looks great on any wrist. The 1.82-inch AMOLED display is sharp and bright, ensuring you can see your stats clearly even in direct sunlight. Huawei has also built the watch to be lightweight with just 40 grams, and it's really comfortable, perfect for wearing all day and night. Now onto the real highlights of this watch, the health features. Huawei is making a statement with the Watch D2, especially in health monitoring. The watch is equipped with advanced sensor for heart rate, blood pressure, and SpO2 monitoring. Yes, you heard that right. Real blood pressure monitoring. Using an innovative airbag with high-precision pressure sensor, the Watch D2 measures your blood pressure on the go, making it one of the few smartwatches on the market that can do this accurately. The blood pressure monitor is simple to use. Just strap on the watch snugly, press start, and within 30 seconds, you get a reading. The results are precise enough to give you peace of mind or alert you if something seems off. Along with that, it also has a new features, the ambulatory blood pressure monitoring, that provides continuous on-the-go blood pressure monitoring, which is especially useful for those with hypertension or anyone wanting to keep a close eye on their cardiovascular health throughout the day. This advanced feature offers accurate readings thanks to Huawei's precise pressure sensor technology. Keeping track of your health goes beyond the daytime. The Huawei True Sleep 3.0, the D2 can monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights into your sleep quality, including deep and light sleep cycles, REM stages, and overall sleep score. To round it off, the watch also comes with a stress tracking and breathing exercise. If you're having a stressful day, the D2 offers exercise to help you calm down and manage your stress levels effectively. Now let's talk about the battery life. The Huawei Watch D2 comes with up to 6 days of battery life on typical usage, thanks to Huawei's efficient software optimization. And even with heavy usage, it still lasts around 3 to 4 days, which is more than enough to get you through a busy week. When it's time to recharge, Huawei's fast charging features ensures you'll be back up and running in no time. The watch connects seamlessly with the Huawei Health application, available on both Android and iOS. This app consolidates all your health and fitness data in one place, making it easy to track your progress over time, review detailed reports, and get customized health insights. Additionally, the D2 supports watch face customization with plenty of designs to choose from, so you can keep the watch looking fresh and fitting to your style. So, who is the Huawei Watch D2 for? If you are serious about your health or just want the peace of mind that comes with monitoring your blood pressure, heart rate, and sleep, the D2 is one of the best choices out there. With the premium health features, solid fitness tracking, and long-lasting battery life, it's a smartwatch that truly focuses on keeping you healthy and active. The Huawei Watch D2 is available now for the price tag of 1,600 dirhams here in Dubai, making it an affordable and powerful health tool. Alright, that's for today's review of the latest Huawei Watch D2. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.